Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Now for this machine we just gave it a tune-up, replacing the gasket of the machine, the one that you see right here, and the shower screen of the machine itself. So yeah, that's all we did. We also descaled the machine, deep clean everything around the groove head, and make sure everything is running fine and smoothly the way it's supposed to be running. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And again, I might have tampered just a bit too hard on this machine. As you can see, we have coffee barely dripping coming out of the machine. But even so, machine is still able to keep up. We are seeing a little stream coming out of one of the spouts. Now we're seeing two little streams coming out of the spouts as the water pump is pushing against that shot of that ground coffee, and is channeling through the puck to make sure we have a good extraction. Like I say, I did tamper a bit too hard, and probably I put a little bit more coffee than I was supposed to, as we're just having barely dripping coffee. Even so, we're still seeing really good crema coming out of that shot. The machine is still able to keep up with it and is still able to extract it. And as you can see, nice layer of crema coming on top of the machine, on top of the shot. Looking great. I'm drinking that. Yep, I did probably tamper a bit too hard. You can see some liquid on the top of the shot. But the shower flow of the shower head is extremely great. Look at that, just looks amazing. Hot water one as well, working excellent. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine, really good looking. And now for the steam, we're gonna wait just a little bit because this machine is a single boiler. It's always recommended to do the steam first and then do your shot of espresso, because for that reason, because it's a single boiler. If you do your shot of espresso and then you run you try to do foam with this machine without refilling the boiler, you could potentially damage the heating element. That's the reason why I use the hot water after doing that espresso shot to replace the missing water that we already have in here. And now that the boiler is full, we can safely turn on the steam button and enable the machine to get up to temperature for steaming. Otherwise it will not have enough water, and that could potentially damage the heating element. Once the machine will be ready, this light will just come out and we're just gonna have this green light only. As I say, it's gonna take a little bit, as this machine is a single boiler machine. And the temperature that has to reach is 260 degrees approximately. You do coffee at around 200 degrees. So it needs to definitely get up there, build up some pressure so you can finally get to some steam. So that's why it's recommended to do your frothy milk, do your milk first, and then you do your shot. That way you don't run the risk of emptying the boiler, and it's also a much more smoother transition, and you don't have to wait this long and having your espresso shot getting, that layer of crema just disappearing as the shot will start to break down the longer it stays sitting in there. And when you finish doing your milk, you won't have the same consistency of the crema, so you will not be able to do any kind of latte art or anything like that. Okay, for testing procedures, this should be fine. Otherwise, you will wait for that green light, but I don't want this video to become like a spam video. So let's just wrap it up by showing you the steam coming out of this machine. And as you can see, what's definitely building up now is the green light. It was definitely building up pressure in there. Really good pressure coming out of the steam one. excellent, working really great. I am definitely burning my hand right here. So thank you so much for watching this, for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.